Hi, my name is Katie Murphy. My cell number is 917-282-4505 and my email address is km@aboutkatiemurphy.com. I am auditioning for the role of Maria. I'm 5'3" and I wear a size 2. I'm a 10 out of 10 mover, a 5 or 6 out of 10 music reader, and a 10 out of 10 harmony holder. I love this role so much, and I've always wanted to play her, and I would just be so excited to play her this summer. So I just want to thank you in advance for considering me. Fun fact about me, before I get into my joke and the material, my kindergarten art teacher was actually Agatha Von Trapp, the youngest Von Trapp child, known as Gretel in the musical. So kind of a neat thing I just thought I would share with you. All right, here we go. Do you know what the nosiest pepper is? The jalapeno. 'Cause it's jalapeno face! What will this day be like? I wonder. What will my future be? I wonder. It could be so exciting to be out in the world, to be free. My heart should be wildly rejoicing. Oh, what's the matter with me? I've always longed for adventure, to do the things I've never dared. And here I'm facing adventure. Then why am I so scared? A captain with 7 children. What's so fearsome about that? Oh, I must stop these doubts, all these worries. If I don't, I just know I'll turn back. I must dream of the things I am seeking. I am seeking the courage I lack. The courage to serve them with reliance. Face my mistakes without defiance. Show them I'm worthy, and while I show them, I'll show me. So let them bring on all their problems. I'll be better than my best. I have confidence they'll put me to the test, but I'll make them see I have confidence in me. Somehow I will impress them. I will be firm but kind, and all those children, heaven bless them, they will look up to me and mind me. With each step I am more certain everything will turn out fine. I have confidence the world can all be mine. They'll have to agree I have confidence in me. I have confidence in sunshine. I have confidence in rain. I have confidence that spring will come again. Besides which you see, I have confidence in me. Strength doesn't lie in numbers. Strength doesn't lie in wealth. Strength lies in nights of peaceful slumbers. When you wake up, it's healthy. All I trust I lead my heart to. All I trust I make my own. I have confidence in confidence alone. I have confidence in confidence alone. Besides which you see, I have confidence in me. My day on the hills has come to an end, I know. A star has come out to tell me it's time to go. But deep in the dark green forest are voices that urge me to stay. So I pause and I wait and I listen For one more sound, for one more lovely thing that the hills might say. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze, to laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. My heart will be blessed with the sound of music, and I'll sing